How to get traffic from affiliate marketing. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of affiliate marketing, how to get traffic to your affiliate links. Traffic is the lifeblood of any online venture, and mastering how to drive it effectively can significantly boost your affiliate earnings. Let's get started. Understanding your audience. First and foremost, understanding your audience is key. You need to know who your potential customers are, what they're interested in, and where they spend their time online. This involves creating detailed buyer personas that include demographics, interests, and online behavior. Knowing your audience helps you tailor your marketing efforts to meet their specific needs and interests. Content creation. Next up is content creation. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Create valuable, engaging, and informative content that resonates with your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media posts. Make sure your content addresses the pain points of your audience and offers solutions, incorporating your affiliate links naturally. SEO and blogging. SEO, or search engine optimization, is another powerful tool to drive traffic. Optimize your content with relevant keywords that your target audience is searching for. This helps your content rank higher on search engine results pages, making it easier for people to find you. Regularly updating your blog with high-quality content can significantly improve your organic traffic over time. Social media marketing. Social media platforms are excellent for driving traffic. Share your content on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, participating in discussions, and sharing useful tips. Use relevant hashtags to increase your content's visibility and attract a broader audience. Email marketing. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to drive traffic. Build an email list by offering something of value, such as a free ebook or a discount code. Send regular newsletters with updates, tips, and exclusive offers that encourage subscribers to visit your site and check out your affiliate links. Paid advertising. Don't overlook paid advertising. Platforms like Google Ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads can be highly effective in driving targeted traffic to your affiliate links. Start with a small budget, test different ad creatives, and analyze the results to see what works best for your audience. Collaborations and influencers. Collaborating with other bloggers, YouTubers, or influencers in your niche can also help drive traffic. Partner with individuals who have a large, engaged following and can promote your affiliate links to their audience. This can provide a significant traffic boost and increase your affiliate sales. Conclusion. To wrap it up, getting traffic from affiliate marketing requires a combination of understanding your audience, creating valuable content, optimizing for SEO, leveraging social media, utilizing email marketing, investing in paid ads, and collaborating with influencers. By implementing these strategies, you can drive consistent, high-quality traffic to your affiliate links and maximize your earnings.